guys, today Flynn and I are making some appetizers. We're making some spinach puff pastry. It's super simple and easy to make. You need some puff pastry, some cashews that you've been soaking for at least an hour, some nutritional yeast, spinach, some spices, and vegan cheese or cheese, and Herbamare original sea salt mix that we're gonna add into our recipe. And that's pretty much it. Some olive oil and you're ready to go. So let's start.
Okay guys, so I said puff pastry, but it can also be phyllo dough that I'm using like I'm doing in the video today, but both work just as well. You're using the squares that you're putting into the muffin tin. And then for the filling, the mixture is actually 1.5 cups of raw cashews, then 1.5 cups of spinach, the frozen spinach kind. I thawed it and took the water out of it, adding 2 cloves of garlic, a small white onion that I've chopped, and then the juice of 1 whole lemon. You can use a food processor too if you don't have a high-speed blender at home. Then we're adding about 1/2 cup of vegan cheese, a teaspoon of Herbamare, loving all the flavors in there, and a tablespoon of dried dill. You can also add fresh dill. Then 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk, just will help with the blending of all of it. And then you blend all that together until you get this creamy like filling texture that's green, bright green color, really appetizing. And then you want to fill your muffin tin. Oh yeah, I forgot, 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast, actually very important, adds to the flavor of the appetizers, but also is really just good and nutritious and adds this cheesy flavor. Then you just put it into your muffin tin and fold the ends, the tops, and add some olive oil, put in the oven for 15 minutes, and then that's pretty much it. You have your appetizer. It's super creamy, crunchy at the same time, really a good appetizer. Hope you guys enjoyed.